What about you?
I like chicken, rice, and beans. Do you like vegetables?
Yeah, of course I like vegetables. Fala galera, Renato aqui. Dica de inglês hoje. Aquela dica boa pra galera que gosta de estudar inglês, não tem parceria e quer praticar. Eu tô fazendo um teste aqui agora com o Gemini, tá? Tô espelhando meu celular aqui, tá? Tá aqui meu celular, mas vocês estão vendo aí na tela. Eu coloquei um documento aqui com alguns textos de inglês, bem nível básico, tá bom? Aí vou conversar com o Gemini pra gente poder fazer uma conversa sobre esse arquivo aí, tá bom? Vou jogar ele primeiro lá pro Gemini. Vamos ver, ele vai escrever alguma coisa ali, eu vou esperar ele terminar para poder iniciar a conversa com ele, tá bom? Tem que esperar ele escanear o arquivo. Vou apertar aqui, aí tá bom. Hello Gemini, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you for asking. How can I help you today?
That's amazing. I just upload something, right? Can you see that about English? Yeah, that's good. You can see the image. Let's talk about this conversation, okay? I'm a beginner in English and I'd like to practice.
Let's do it. I'll be the man and you'll be the woman. So, what foods do you like?
I like apple, pineapple, and orange. What about you?
I like chicken, rice, and beans. Do you like vegetables?
Yeah, of course I like vegetables. It's really healthy. I like lettuce.
That's great. Lettuce is perfect for salads. Do you have another favorite vegetable?
Do you consider tomato as a vegetable or is it a fruit?
Scientifically, a tomato is a fruit because it develops from the ovary of a flower and contains seeds.
Okay, that's great. Let's continue.
What other healthy foods do you enjoy eating?
For example, meat. I've heard chicken is great, right?
Chicken is a fantastic choice. It provides lean protein, is very versatile to cook with, and can be used in so many different dishes. Do you prefer cooking with chicken breast or chicken thighs?
Of course, chicken breast.
Chicken breast is always a solid, healthy choice. How do you usually like to season it when you cook it?
I like it with some vegetables on it, okay? Like lettuce, onions, to keep the flavor good.
Those are great choices. Onions add a lot of flavor, and lettuce provides a nice crunch,
Yeah, it is.
keeping the meal both tasty and healthy.
Sorry, I interrupted you.
Do you
Please.
usually drink water with your meals, or do you prefer something else, like juice?
As I mentioned before, the fruits that I like, for example, I like my meal with orange juice or pineapple juice.
Both orange and pineapple juice are excellent choices and pair very well with meals.
Yeah, but I've heard some scientists, they say it's really bad and damaging for health, eat and drink at the same time. Is that true?
Most health experts agree that drinking moderate amounts of liquid with meals is perfectly fine for healthy digestion and doesn't cause any harm. This information is not medical advice or diagnosis. Please consult a healthcare professional for any personal health concerns or guidance.
Okay, I got it. So, what would you like to talk about to finish the conversation, the accord with the text?
Let's wrap up by talking about desserts. What is your favorite dessert, and what flavor do you enjoy the most?
Okay, that's a great question. My favorite dessert, maybe it's a cakey, and my favorite flavor, of course, is chocolate.
Chocolate cake is a classic favorite. Do you prefer it with any toppings like frosting or ice cream?
Of course, I like ice cream. Yeah, I love ice cream.
That sounds delicious. You did an excellent job practicing your food vocabulary and keeping the conversation flowing so smoothly.
Okay, thanks a lot. So, do you think this method is good to improve English?
Yes, practicing through real conversations is excellent because it builds confidence, improves fluency, and helps you use vocabulary naturally in context. Let me know if you'd like to try another topic.
Okay, maybe another time I'm going to try another topic, okay?
Sounds good. I'll be right here whenever you're ready to pick up a new topic.
Okay, I really appreciate that. Thanks a lot.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day and keep up the great work with your English.
Okay, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Take care, and I'll talk to you next time.
Então tá aí, galera, uma conversa baseada em um texto, tá? Que eu achei lá no Google sobre comida e tal. Você pode ir desenvolvendo o seu inglês, tá? No caso aqui, é uma inteligência artificial Se você não soar tão fluente, você pode, como que eu vou dizer, você vai tirando dúvida, entendeu? Vai usando diferentes prompts, tá? Uma vez eu vi um cara lá com um prompt que a IA falava em inglês e corrigia em português, então vai uma dica aí pra vocês, tá? Tamo junto, até uma próxima. Tá.